Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I will show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. Before we download and install the Cisco Packet Tracer, first we have to understand what is Cisco Packet Tracer. So it is a powerful networking simulation tool that allows you to create, configure and troubleshoot networks in a virtual environment. Now let's first we have to download, then we have to install. So first open your browser, search for Cisco Packet Tracer download. Now just go to the third website, third link. You can see time to use Cisco Packet Tracer version 8.2.2 netacat.com. Okay, just open it. Here you can see Networking Academy. It is an official website, Cisco Networking Academy. So just here you can see download Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.2. Just click on it. Now scroll down to the page. Once you have a scroll down, you can see here it is saying please log in to download the resources. That means if you have account, then you have to log in and then you have to download that resource. If you don't have an account, then you have to create an account, then you have to log in, then you have to download. If you don't have an account, then you can't download it. Here it is clearly saying please log in to download resources. That means if we have an account, then we have to download. If we don't have an account, then you have to go and you have to create your account and then you have to log in, then you have to download. Okay, so first we have to get, you can see here it is also saying please log in to download resources. So first we have to log in, so just click on login. Hence, I already have an account, so I have to give my credentials and I have to just click on login. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up or fill the details here or create your account. Now we have to give here our username. I have to give my credentials. Just click on login. Here it is asking password. Give your password. Just click on login. Once you have logged in, now you can download that. You can see download the version of packet tracer you require. So based on your operating system, you have to download it. If you are using Mac, then you have to install for Mac. I am using Windows operating system, so I have to download for Windows. Just click on it. Now it is downloading. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the file has been downloaded, go to your download folder and just double click on the file to start the installation process. Installation wizard will now open. It will ask you to accept the license and agreement. Tick the checkbox for I accept the agreement and just click on next. Next it will ask you to choose the installation location. By default it will install in C program files. If you want to change the location, then just click on browse and select your desired folder. After that, click on next. Again click on next. Again click on next. Just click on install. Wait for it. The installation process will take few moments. Once it's complete, just click on finish. Now open your Cisco Packet Tracer. You will see a login screen that asks you to sign in either through Networking Academy or Skill for All if you created your account. So just click on that Networking Academy. Here enter your username.
Enter your password.
Just click on login. Once you logged in, Cisco Packet Tracer will open. You can start creating and managing your network simulations. I will also show you I have created some of the network simulations. You can see I have created that you have successfully downloaded and installed and logged in your Cisco Packet Tracer.